Yeah, we were very pleased with the results of Caspian when you're able to show an overall survival benefit. This is an incredibly difficult to treat group of patients. Median overall survival just around the 10-month mark. So any improvements we can make are clinically meaningful. So there's a whole question is what's the best way to treat these patients? Immuno-oncology has offered great promise, as we can see with durvalumab, in addition to chemo. The question really then is in relation to the benefit we didn't necessarily see over and above durvalumab with tremelimumab. But nonetheless, I think, failure teaches us, and we've learned a lot about the mechanism of the disease in relation to tremelimumab harm, and it's really helped us understand when we look at study 22 in the hepatocellular cancer setting, how to optimize the use of tremelimumab, because we do believe there is a role for tremelimumab in the treatment of cancer, and I think we're learning from all of these results. But again, for Caspian, small cell lung cancer, difficult to treat, overall survival benefit, this is incredibly positive. And again, it serves us really to think through further combinations for the future as well. Well, what we do know is that screening in lung cancer works. The earlier you get patients, the better. However, we didn't always have the tools, and I think it's one of the keys in screening. Screen if you can do something about it. But the standard of care has been adjuvant, in these early groups has been surgery plus or minus chemotherapy for such a long time. This is the first time we really have something extra to add. So I think this will serve as a huge impetus for the clinical community to really embrace earlier screening for patients. Because again, when you see the results, they're pretty compelling. And again, the study was stopped 2 years early.